Hello everybody. I wasn't going to make an unboxing video for this stereo. As you can see, I've already taken it all out of the box. But I did want to go over all the features of it real quick just because in one of my previous videos I wasn't 100% sure. So it was a good way for me to memorize things. Porsche Classic Radio. It's a single DIN unit for these 993s and older Porsches that have a single DIN in them right now. But it gives you CarPlay, gives you navigation if you opt for navigation, a lot of stuff. It's a full featured stereo, but it's missing a few things. So let's point out the most important thing. Since I'm installing an aftermarket amp, this has no RCA preamp outputs. It's made to be plug and play for the most part with the OEM wiring. So pull out your old one, plug in this one, you should be good to go. We're doing aftermarket. So ideally you'd want to use RCA preamp outputs, but it doesn't have it. That's okay. They do provide us with ISO plugs. So I'm gonna wire this up for front output. We're not doing rears in this build. Since it's only front and rear, it does not give you subwoofer control, which means we need to use our own subwoofer control, which we have here. It's the URC3 by Audio-Tech Fisher to plug into our Helix amplifier to give us line level control on those subwoofer outputs. Now, on this box here, as you're unboxing it, it says maps not included. They are correct, of course. These are the maps. It's a little SD card, goes in on the front of the unit right there. Now, moving on, a couple of the little adapters that they give you. FM antenna adapter, pretty self-explanatory. They give you a Bluetooth microphone because this does have Bluetooth. However, I will caution you and tell you that it is terrible. In my experience, it has been terrible. This unit does have a little Bluetooth mic right there on top, and that seems to work a lot better than this thing. Now, your results might vary, so give it a shot. If it doesn't work out, unplug it, change the setting in the menu. I believe it's in the menu to use external mic or internal mic. Internal mic is great. Oh, it's all right. It's all right at best. So you have a different knob style. So if you'd rather have the knobs with the chrome accent on it, you can do that. Satellite radio plug. So this will allow you to hook up your SiriusXM SSV 300V1 tuner kit. I have a link for this if you want to buy one online. But right there, it comes with it. The only reason I'm emphasizing this is they didn't always come with that. I've had to charge previous customers for it. Last but not least, we have our GPS antenna. Now, even if you don't do the maps, the third time I've talked about the maps, it still utilizes the GPS antenna to give Apple CarPlay a little bit better accuracy. So I do recommend wiring this. It cannot be under metal. It has to have a clear view of the sky or just be under plastic. What I typically do is wrap this in like a grill cloth material. That way it's not this ugly GPS antenna, but I disassemble it, I wrap it, and make it look a little pretty. But anyways, that's it. Bag of miscellaneous tools. Just slide out the radio after it's been installed. But yeah, that's really it. So thanks for watching. Hopefully it hasn't been too long of a video. I make these things really long. I do apologize, but I do like making these videos. Oh, one last thing. Where'd I put it? I was like, I'm missing something here. It's this guy right here. Now, let's make sure it's in the picture. Now, this is our media box. We have USB input. We have our CarPlay input, and we have auxiliary. Most of you will never use this, but I will for my tuning, for my DSP. Now, here's what I want you to pay attention to. Do you notice any mounting tabs on this? Anywhere? No. So a lot of times I have to double side this up underneath the dash. That way it's pretty secure. But just so you know, there's nothing you can do with it. There's nothing you can do with it. So double side stick and call it a day, because that's really it. So that is everything. Media box, GPS antenna, Bluetooth mic, SiriusXM, FM antenna, secondary knobs if you like the chrome look better, mounting hardware or tools, and then an ISO plug in case somebody cut off the factory plug before you bought the car. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'll see you guys on the next video.